Hi everyone, good evening. Did AI beat IMO 2025? AI can replicate human mental ability, is that true? Breakthrough performance at IMO 2025 with Gemini DeepThink was able to solve 5 out of 6 IMO problems perfectly, earning 35 total points and achieving gold medal level performance. These problems were also tested on the public models. ठीक है, जो public model तुम देखते हो, use करते हैं, which is open to the public. We are going to see a lot of surprises. Deep mathematics we will be able to solve, जिसके अभी तक 3-4 centuries है. Or will AI replace mathematicians in the future? Hi everyone, good evening. Did AI beat IMO 2025 contestant? This is what we are going to talk about. And normally इस तरह के sessions में end result, end thought सब लोगों का जो इस session को vote कर रहे होते हैं यही होता है. AI can replicate human mental ability. Is that true? Will it be able to do that in the future? Or will AI replace mathematicians in the future? Right. So this is what we are going to talk about at the end, and I am going to put my honest views on the basis of what we have found. All right. So let's start. So again, to give you the highlights of IMO 2025, 630 high school students, 630 best mathematical minds across the globe wrote IMO 2025 from 110 countries. There were 72 gold medals, 104 silver and 145 bronze medals. If you talk about India's performance, India was ranked 7. We won 3 gold, 2 silver and a bronze medal. This is the Indian team. You can see. Now, apart from this, it was also tested on some AIs, right? So there were some companies who tested these IMO problems on the public models, public AI models. OpenAI tested this in one of the models which has not been released yet. And of course, Gemini competed last year also, this year also. It competed on IMO problems, 6 problems. And that again, same model has not been released. Okay, so we'll talk about all these one by one. Let's talk about OpenAI, and this is the set of tweets by one of top officials of OpenAI. So I'm excited to share that latest OpenAI experimental reasoning LLM has achieved long-standing grand challenge in AI, gold medal level performance in world's most prestigious math competition, the IMO. Okay, so this is a series of tweets. मैं जल्दी से थोड़ा highlight बता देता हूँ. We evaluated our models on 2025 IMO problems and same rules as human contestants. That is 2 4.5 exams. So they were given the same amount of time, not more, not less. No tools, no internet. Now this is something which is very important. Otherwise, a lot of AI is based on the internet. कोई भी internet नहीं था. It was all the original AI. Reading the official problem statements and writing natural language proofs. Why is this a big leap? Because IMO problems demand a new level of sustained creative thinking compared. We all know the level of IMO to the past benchmarks. In reasoning time horizon, we have now progressed from GSM 8K. Okay, so this is something which is technical. IMO submissions are hard to verify, multi-page proofs. Progress here calls for going for beyond RL paradigm of clear cut. Now again, who tested these problems, right? So they claim that there were 3 former IMO contestants who tested, ultimately verified the solutions. In an evaluation, the model solved 5 of the 6 problems on IMO 2025. That is problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each problem, the 3 former IMO medalists independently graded the future submitted proof, with scores finalized after unanimous consensus. The model earned 35 out of 42 points in total, enough for gold. So 35 cutoff, gold cutoff this year was 35 only. So again, this model scored 35 marks. Other 2 tweets, we are releasing GPT-5 soon and we are excited to try it. And ये जो model था जिस पे testing हुई है, IMO Gold LMM is an experimental research model. It is not a public model, the OpenAI model that is open for the public. We don't plan to release anything with this level of mathematics capability for several months. Okay, so this is something that is not open. But they have released the solutions. जो OpenAI ने IMO 2020 के solution थे वो release कर दिए, वो दिखाता हूँ. This underscores how fast AI has advanced in recent years, and of course, yeah. Now, if we look at the solutions, I'll put the links of the solutions in the description also very soon. Right, so you can see the solutions of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, it was not able to do. तो अगर हम यहाँ पर जाएं, so these are the solutions. या आप तुम language भी देख सकते हो, the kind of language this AI model has used to solve this. Okay, so this is about OpenAI. Now, this was not formally tested. This was tested informally by 3 independent former IMO medalists. ठीक है, तो ये this was about OpenAI. Now, if we talk about Gemini, Google Gemini. So again, this is there on the site only. advanced version of Gemini with DeepThink officially achieves gold medal standard at the International Mathematical Olympiad. Right. So these are the two biggest AI companies in US which are competing for amongst each other. Breakthrough performance at IMO 2025 with Gemini DeepThink, and of course, was able to solve 5 out of 6 IMO problems perfectly, earning 35 total points and achieving gold medal level performance. The solutions can be found here. So again, this is by IMO president only. So we can confirm that Google DeepMind has researched the much desired milestone, reached the much desired milestone, earning 35 out of 42 points, a gold medal score. Their solutions were astonishing in many respects. IMO graders found them to be clear, precise, and most of them were easy to follow. Right. So this is the official statement of the IMO president this year. Now, interestingly, Google Gemini also tried IMO 2024. It competed in IMO 2024, but that was very different from what it has achieved this year. So last year, Alpha Geometry, Alpha Proof were specific math models. ठीक है, वो मैथ के लिए ही डिजाइन किया गया था, उनसे ट्राई किया गया था, एंड ऑल्सो इट टुक देम 2 days. देयर वाज नो टाइम लिमिटेशन एंड इट दे वर गिवन इनफ टाइम. इट टुक देम 2 to 3 days of computation. This year, exactly the same time as IMO contestants. So this is something which is very important. So this was formal mathematics. This was tested on the mathematical model. और यहाँ पर informal mathematics पे इसको टेस्ट किया गया है. So this is something which is very interesting. And यहाँ पे source तुम देख सकते हो. So if I click it, ठीक है, तो you can test yourself. DeepMind.google पे इस URL पे you will be able to see this. तो यहाँ पर नीचे जाओगे तो again all the screenshots that I've taken from this only. So this is the IMO president statement, and this was last year comparison to this year comparison, and how did they do it and the future of AI. Okay, so this is alright. Now these problems were also tested on the public models. ठीक है, जो public model तुम देखते हो, use करते हैं, which is open to the public. Those public models were not able to secure good marks, right? So they performed, in fact, very badly. So if you can see, the Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is open, is at 31% accuracy. O3 is at 16% accuracy. O3 Mini is at 14.2%. Grok 4 at 12%. And DeepSeek at 6.85%. Right? So ये public models हैं. जो दो OpenAI और Gemini के models थे, वो public models नहीं है. उनको बनाया जाता है with a lot of data which is input into them. Right? So इसका जो source है, that is Math Arena. So again, I'm putting all the sources so that you can see and verify. So not even bronze. So all of these public models were not able to secure bronze medal evaluating LLMs on 2025 International Math Olympiad. Right. So यहाँ पे किस तरीके से ultimately उन्होंने किया, and यहाँ पर all the updates are given. In fact, यहाँ पर ये भी बताया है कि as per the recent तो Gemini ने जो gold medal performance लिए वहाँ पे भी ये update किया है. So OpenAI announced that they achieved a gold medal with currently unreleased model. So everything has been announced. Even DeepMind. So methodology किस तरीके से ये किया गया and results ये सारे के सारे यहाँ पर है, right? So this is about it. The public models हैं, they have not been able to perform as well as the specific models जिन पे training हुई है already. Now of course this brings us to the two very important questions जो कि इस तरह के videos देखने के बाद सबके दिमाग में आते हैं. One is it possible for AI to replicate human mathematical ability? Right? So AI has been doing a lot of stuff. हमारे बहुत सारे काम जो हैं वो आजकल डेली बेसिस पे AI कर रहा है. बट एक मैथमेटिकल माइंडसेट होता है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग होता है. Is AI capable of replicating that mindset? And the second is, are we seeing a future wherein AI is going to replace mathematicians? Right? So what are the thoughts? So these are my honest thoughts. So AI can reason across multiple steps. ये establish हो चुका है, ठीक है? Because if it is able to solve the IMO level problems in exactly 4.5 hours, of course we can. And IMO level problems are, the scope is wide, right? So there are certain exams जहाँ पर scope बहुत है. There is a limited syllabi. Syllabi is infinite, right? So कुछ भी, मतलब कहीं से भी कुछ भी सोच सकते हो, and you have to put in a lot of things together. It can mimic proof-based logic and structured abstraction. It can even simulate insight which was previously thought to be human only. तो पहले सोचा था कि एक insight है या दूरदर्शिता जिसको बोलते हैं, जो कि human ही कर सकता है, but again the machines have been able to do it. But these are internal fine-tuned non-public models as of now. ठीक है? इवन गूगल का जो मॉडल है वो टेस्ट ऑफिशियली हुआ गया है, ओपन एआई ने अभी उसके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो आउट नहीं किए कि किन लोगों से टेस्ट करवाया था एंड किस कैसे रिजल्ट्स हैं, उन्होंने आंसर्स रिलीज किए. Not what most people use. These models are trained with billions of tokens of mathematical reasoning. So of course it takes a lot of research, a lot of input is given, billions of tokens of mathematical reasoning are input into this, and sometimes even supervised using human Olympiad solutions. Okay, so will it be able to replicate? I think we are going that way. We are going that way because if it is able to solve 5 of these 6 problems by 2 of the models, even though they're specific models, I think it is in the future we are seeing an era जहां पर जो ह्यूमन जो ऐसी चीज है जो हम सोचते थे कि यार सिर्फ ह्यूमंस ही कर सकते हैं, वी आर एबल टू सी दैट कि वो मशीन्स भी करने के केपेबल हैं, राइट. सो एंड that is why IMO problems are the most challenging problems, right? Because they are original. Every problem is original, and it requires a lot of multi-step things and from different aspects. राइट. सो ये मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट जो हम अच्छा एक बहुत ही अच्छा होगा बुरा होगा बट एक बहुत ही चेंज फ्यूचर देख रहे हैं. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट विल एआई बी रेप्लिकेटिंग और रिप्लेसिंग मैथमेटिशियंस, राइट. सो मुझे लगता है कि अभी इट इज वी आर फार फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर फार 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 फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बट अगेन जिस तरीके से एडवांसमेंट्स हो रही हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लास्ट ईयर हमने जेमिनी को देखा था. Gemini was able to solve some problems of IMO, but it took 2 to 3 days. इस बार जिस तरीके से प्रोग्रेस हुआ है, अगेन नो इंटरनेट वाले मशीन्स में सिर्फ इनपुट करके 4.5 घंटों के अंदर he was able to replicate 5 or was able to produce the solutions of the 5 problems. So AI might become a powerful collaborator, but it is not a creator in the deeper sense, right? So we are yet to see a good problem being made by AI. Problem है, उसको solve करने की उसको कला आ चुकी है, but is it capable of actually producing a good problem? Again अभी तक उसका कोई भी proof नहीं है. It doesn't wonder about math, ठीक है, जो दी हुई चीजों को उसी को देख रहा है. It doesn't formulate new theories or open problems as of now, and it lacks curiosity that fuels the human progress. But even in research, many AI generated solutions are correct and but lack elegance and intuitive explanation as of now. But again, are we seeing the future where AI is going to replace mathematicians? There might be, but again, I think that time is far away at this point of time. But again, जिस तरीके से advancements हो रही हैं, again हो सकता है कि अगले साल जो IMO हो, IMO 2026, we are going to see a lot of surprises because इसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी है. So last year, it was the first time Google Gemini started, solving this. This year, OpenAI also entered the arena. I'm very sure बहुत सारी जो AI companies हैं, they are ultimately this is going to become the standard. This is going to become the gold standard of which AI is better and which AI is actually capable of replacing humans. तो उसका जो standard है वो IMO problems ही होने वाला है. So again we are in for amazing times, surprising times. मुझे लगता है कि अगले साल का जो IMO होगा उसमें बहुत सारे AI models आएंगे और होंगे. It might happen that AI model का अलग से टेस्टिंग शुरू हो जाए. But again, this is something that is something which is very exciting, and let's see. So, what are your comments? तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि ये क्या होगा? If these thoughts, are you aligned with these thoughts, or what do you think is going to happen? Will AI actually be able to replace humans and mathematicians? And if they are, I think we are going to solve a lot of problems, lot of unsolved problems which have not been solved. Problems related to space, problems related to deep mathematics, we will be able to solve, जिसके अभी तक 3-4 सेंचुरी से solutions हम नहीं ढूंढ पाए हैं. So again, अगर ऐसा हो पा रहा है तो of course, अगर ऐसा हो जाता है तो of course it is going to be beneficial. It is going to be a certain loss also. It is going to be dangerous also. But I would want to hear your comments. What do you think about this? Take care. God bless you.